Hey guys, in this video, I'm showing you how to make money fast on Honeygain, so you can earn passive income just by sharing your unused internet bandwidth, whether you're on PC or mobile. First off, sign up for Honeygain using your email or Google account. You can even get a bonus with our referral link, no extra cost to you. Next, download and install the Honeygain app or desktop client. Once it's running, it starts paying you automatically whenever your device is online and connected. Here's a pro tip. Use the teamwork feature to connect multiple devices at once. The more devices you run, the more you earn, all in the background. Don't forget to invite friends using your referral link. You'll both get a percentage of what they earn, making it one of the fastest ways to boost your income. Also, check your daily rewards and missions in the app. Some days give bonus earnings just for staying active. So should you feel stuck earning slow? Not anymore. Just follow these steps, keep the app running, and start building real income from your internet. Let me know in the comments how much you're making daily on Honeygain, and which device gives you the most. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.